AK sir, your English language tutor. Take over. To get control. He took over from the previous headmaster in February. Take in. To comprehend something. She took her things to her room. Take off. To begin flight. The aeroplane will take off in 2 hours. Take up. To begin a new hobby. Mike has taken up running to lose some weight. Take after. To resemble something in appearance. I hope the children don't take after their grandfather. Take out. To remove something. On our first date, Mark took me out to the cinema. Take down. To write on a paper. She made us take down all the posters. Take on. To accept job or responsibility. I can't take on my extra work.